find the inverse of the matrix A is equal to this. One matrix is given, we have to find out inverse of this A matrix. So let's take a start here. Here matrix A is equal to 5, 2, minus 8, minus 3. So first of all we have to find out determinant. We have to check either matrix A is singular or non-singular matrix. So to find out determinant, we have to multiply main diagonal minus non-diagonal. Main diagonal means 5 and 3. This side is main diagonal and this one is non-diagonal. So first of all multiply the main diagonal. 5 into minus 3 minus 15 minus from formula, and this 2 we have to multiply. Non-diagonal we have to multiply. Minus 8 into minus 2 minus 16 minus minus plus, and we have to write here 16, which is equal to 1. Now we have to find out A inverse, and the formula of A inverse is 1 by determinant A. And what we have to, we can write on directly, or otherwise we can write D A minus B minus C, or you can do one thing. I will teach you here how to write on directly. Just interchange the main diagonal elements. What is there? In the place of 5 you have to write minus 3. In the place of minus 3 we have to write on 5. So minus 3 here and 5 here. We have to change the main diagonal elements, and we have to multiply by negative to the non-diagonal elements. So here is 2, so we have to write minus 2. Here is minus 8, so we have to write on 8. We have to multiply with negative, we have to multiply with minus to the non-diagonal. Okay, we have to change the main diagonal. No need to multiply with minus, just we have to change their places, and non-diagonal we have to multiply by minus. Okay, so 1 by determinant A is equal to how much we get here? 1. So we have to write here 1 and minus 3 minus 2 8 5. 1 by 1 means 1. When you multiply by this we get same. Minus 3 minus 2 8 5 is your answer. So A inverse is equal to minus 3 minus 2 8 5. Hope you understand and how to find out inverse of matrix. If you understand, please hit the like button. Please subscribe.